Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Mr. Will here. Video lesson for Feed Me Pie and Divide and Conquer for June 2nd, 2020. This is it. You made it. This is our last online lesson and your last daily assignment for the year. Now, I still would love for you to tune in on Thursday. We're having a class meeting. And then Thursday afternoon from 3 to 4, there's a parade at school. You can come by, you can wave. We have a little something for you. It would be so nice to see you. I miss you guys so much. Not quite the same, not being able to see you in person. Congratulations, you made it. For those graduating, I will see you soon, I hope. But I'm very proud of all of you, and I hope you have a great summer. Let's get to it. It says Marvin made some candles that each weighed 3/4 of a pound. He shipped them in a box that weighed 3 pounds. The total weight of the box filled with the candles was 12 pounds. How many candles did Marvin ship in the box? Okay, so whenever we have a problem like this, we need to think about what do we know? Okay, first, we know that the box, the entire package, the total weight of the box plus the candles equals 12 pounds. Okay, so that's what we're trying to get to. We're trying to get to 12. The second thing that we know is that we know that each candle weighed 3/4 of a pound. Okay. Now, the problem is we don't know how many candles are in the box. So, what we would do is we would take 3/4 for one candle and we would multiply it by a number. It could be X, a variable. Let's say C, because we're dealing with candles, C, candles. And then we can't forget that the box that we're shipping in weighs 3 pounds. That seems like a pretty heavy box to me, but that's what we're rolling with. So here is our equation. We have 12 for the total weight of the box, 3/4 of a pound because that's what one candle weighs. We have C, the variable C, because we don't know how many candles we're shipping. And we have 3 because 3 is the weight of the box. So when we add all of these and multiply all of these together, it's going to equal 12. So the first thing we can do in order to solve this is we can multiply 3/4 times C. And we would get, that's right, 3/4 C. Excellent. And then we're going to add that plus 3. And that would give us a total of 12. Now we want to get the variable by itself. So we always subtract the smaller amount from each side. So we're going to subtract 3 from this side and 3 from this side of the equation. And what we're left with is 9 equals 3/4 C. Now, the next step is we want to always try to get our variable C by itself. Now, how would we get C by itself? Well, when we are multiplying by a fraction, that's what we're doing here, you would multiply by the reciprocal when you flip the numerator and the denominator. Now, why do you think we would do that? Multiply by the reciprocal. If you said because it would eliminate the coefficient or number in front of the variable, you're right. So we're going to multiply 3/4 by 4/3. Now watch what happens. Because 4 times 3 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 over 12 equals 1. So it cancels itself out. Now, we know that whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other. It's like a scale. It's a balance. So we're going to multiply this side by 4/3 because that's reciprocal. So we make 9 a fraction as 9 over 1, and we can multiply. Okay, 4 times 9 gives us, that's right, 36. And 3 times 1 gives us 3. So we have 36 over 3. And this is an improper fraction, meaning the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So what we're going to do, in order to simplify, we're going to see how many times does 3 go into 36? Our denominator go into our numerator. And the answer is 3 goes into 36 12 times. So we can say C equals 12. So what is the answer to our question? The answer is 12. How many candles are in each box? 12 candles. How about that? So I would like you to do your last follow-up activity of the year. We're working out of our instruction book, and it's going to talk a little bit about this problem in particular that we just worked through together, and then you're going to practice one or two yourself. Work hard, ask questions. I hope to see you Thursday for our class meeting and Thursday at the parade. Thanks for a great year. If I don't see you, have a great summer. Thanks, everyone.